we just not pay the mind.
I still pay rent.
But I said this time look real. And I'm like, so then you guys we get the 2 times. The one that different now, well farm and so just get for that. Come on. And my brother I'm probably my brother stomach, you know.
The same one we have say out of something there.
Take up my cat and just fling him.
People them will want to come back to your life. Nah, like when I see a period and have on the waist train or something, I come like it has start up every pain in my body. Jesus. Hearing about continue the story, I don't know which part of the day in the story. Who can remind me? What was the last thing I say? Cause not DM you now. What's up? Me continue the story, continue the story. You know I love people business when I don't think about it.
Overthink one or something makes something different from what you say.
I don't care. I always tell them if me tell you my story, you could use my story and tell about me because it's me tell you want to hear and hear it and find out. And me tell you that means that nothing what me talk about not affect me. Legendary Onella, me say that I have to know say she. You don't have to know she though.
No.
Remember her name, you know? Remember your name? I don't know where Ornella from. I think I 5 days we know you from too, you know. Mama thought to the blood clot I'm tell you about Rebel. For Rebel do what she did, me do what I did. Awa.
Yeah, hi. Can reply to the WhatsApp message?
Birthday company tattoo, the fake tattoo. Hey! You remember it? Hey, they remember it, you know? You remember it? You terrible. Remember when I meet a half a tree? You bad so? Who me say me meet a half a tree? You terrible. Oh, you can save the life. Yes, someone can screen record this up. You say what's your story? Murder. Not terribly, no. You want to say about the tattoo? Yeah, the part, you know. If you just start using the product, nobody not say serum is for the face. No. Serum is for your body. You have some people tip a little tip of serum, like 1 drop of serum in them something. I need money for take care of my life, girl, because I come like remember everything from back then. I got cut off when a call came in. You see one enough? One ups. Alright, the story now about the tattoo. The tattoo part are the part where make the man worse at eat me. When I say worse at eat me on my nails, just a look at something. I'm not really fussy about the nails thing. Is doing great. Makeup Paul, thank you. Makita Paul, I don't know what I just see. Yes. So about the tattoo now make the boy eat me. When I say eat me, I that him drop palm to the day. So that day them don't say no what a relationship I don't. So you know what I say. When me put the ape on my hand, that's like before him see the picture and before the excitement of the girl send him anything. I put the ape on my hand and I put the ear all over it. And I want me to do again. I do something for make it look swell up, you know. Me I tell her say, yesterday soon I look a girl when you're young. When you're rude, you know. You ever look back some things you do when you're young and you say no. Your Stacy still this me day at school. So yes, I'm not telling her who do my nails them because I pay for them and she expensive. So I start with the comments I'm kinda now make me do what I do. And a fake page, she claimed to say she's a fan page, so I'm in a class her. Anyways, I don't know what I use. I use something for make the A look swell up. You know, when you do the tattoo, it swell up half of your skin. I don't remember what I did do. So after I use the A now and everything, I send him and he say, oh, I love you, baby, blah, blah, blah. You really love me. I mean, to listen, my relationship was one of them nice relationship the way your man not argue. You never have a relationship for 1 year yet, where your man never argue yet, you never follow, take no problem, and link up 9 o'clock and go and build underneath one tree until after 12 and go in back and I'm good to go? Good to go. So yes, people. What if I put the ape on and it's like, I take a picture, so you know you put look at it. I come like when you get a one new when you're just married. Every picture you take, I say you put it. When you're married, I say you just have your hand them and you just go so. So in at the time now, nobody no really know my man to that than the look old witch but nobody know my man ever hide my man. So I put my ace so I'm a face so. I'm gonna put it so I'm gonna take pictures so. I'm gonna take picture that way, yeah. I'm gonna take it so. So I'm gonna take picture them with the A right there, my hand. Then you don't know what to say. I don't remember what my half and a vex and I say, God forgives, I don't. I want back of excitement. You don't know what to say. You know them time when your man left you. You want to have a look of buzz and you want to have a look of hype for say your man left you look good. Cause the only thing you can get a girl. For post, you ever see a girl that's supposed to be a picture herself when she look good? Just be a picture. All I look good picture them. All our face picture them be a throwback. Them time there, or when your man left you. I ever tell them, when I see girl post them picture straight, your man left you. So, you know, so I just start, I start post some pictures. But one virus on my phone, you know. The picture I post, I put the something there, my hand stay so, like, I remember how my hand is stay, something like that is sure. You don't know, so the A not there no more. Trouble out clot. Wanna talk to me now. The A is no longer there. See what I say? Hey. You don't know, so the man fling that pan me too. The man fling it pan me and say, you see that picture, yeah? My name the says a liar. You tell lies see a tattoo my name and this and that and A and bullfoot. People that is the next one for me, you know. Say no the man that's a priest is a look wicked devil blood clean girl. Say no say after the A no did no more. I say it's there what the fuck? I'm gonna do a class him and me I go on bad. And him say show me no. Could I find a pen in the late after 12 this she? Can't find a black pen. Nothing. I don't know what for use to make the A. I don't know where to start. I don't know where to dig up. I don't know nothing. My mother in a deep sleep. I never want knock her up and wake her for go in her room for get one pen for put on one A. The boy there wait him send the clock. You know when time you wrong now. The man them just hype. Him send the clock emoji and him write waiting. And him write waiting and then him F and him kill up himself. I'm still waiting. I'm post, them evil, and girl are wicked, and him this and him that and him that. Me say, I don't know where to go to get the A. You don't know, say, I eventually got a marker. Make a A. The A big and spread out, totally different from the A. Woman didn't send the man. Put on back ear all over it, send the picture. Him send beer laughing face. The man said sometimes you have to take good things make joke. The man say, I'm me an idiot though. But see clear me body yesterday, me are the biggest idiot in the world. Where you take me for a big idiot. Yeah. But now I got in the tape for the end of my life, you know, girl. But say take me for a big idiot girl. A big idiot boy. No, me I want idiot. You hear me? And the ear rail. I'm coming at me and use the wrong ear rail. The ear rail just a spread out the A and just a spread out the the ear rail just a spread out the A and a spread out the E. I say you never have a tattoo because I never get the tattoo. So I say you never have a tattoo, you say you don't know how tattoo go. You have to have a certain type of ear rail. Yes, so they use petroleum jelly that keep your tattoo, that keep the name, that keep the color and everything. You get me? Because people there's a catching at the party, I know. Then Yeah, but I want me have with my man now. But my man makes everything. But I talk to him story till me and him left. So, I'ma tell him, say, you see, pure lean, I don't want to fuck up your tattoo. So I'm saying, so the pure lean ear oil, that one they now fuck it up. I made the A spread. I'm gonna send him a picture of the pure lean. I'm gonna say, you see, and I lie me, I tell her the pure lean, I don't have the petroleum jelly. So you see, the pure lean now, I spread out the A. So hear him to me, you know. Cause guess what now? Me never look back on the picture. Cause it's true. I'm look on the picture, but I look on it like my glimpse it, so I never remember everything. You know, say, I never want A alone today. Want A today? We didn't know that look a diamond star there with a look of something so. And the dot in the middle with the look of something them hear him. So what take with this? So what take with the star? People just there and then, but I say, you know what? The relationship is not for me. I just start class. I say, the relationship is enough for me. I'm not chat to certain man. I'm gonna start going, but when you're wrong, you just start to the place. The relationship is just not my thing. I'm gonna say it now work out, cause me I kill up myself and it not go nowhere because you don't appreciate nothing. You don't appreciate nothing at all. You're ungrateful. I class the man because we are go around the man. Hear him. Just stop because you're looking like an idiot. Just stop. But I say no. Next day now, cause the conversation done right there. Some put up be a picture when I look good. The next day now the man get him first tattoo people right in your soul. You know what the man tattoo say? God forgives and I don't. So me I tell her say I don't know my chat to him for me. I said none of them friends never like me too. Me I take with them friend, you know. So I can't call none of them and text none of them for chat to him. And I like know when me and my man argument I call one of him friend and my counsel from me so and counsel come back and I just think film relationship nah go on good. But guys Pascal the code for them. Nah go on good and it can't fix him on. So you know say me not nobody for turn to. I don't remember who my turn to, you know, for chat to him, you know. And when I tell him, say, oh, I'm for turn to you, but not chat with man now. You're the worst person for talk to with my man now. Worst. I'll make a man for them and I get him. Probably him phone dead. Mr. Pasco, but him phone dead can't ring. Probably it depend silent. So Mr. Pasco in the pan silent because him phone never depend silent yet. You don't know if him turn and put it pan silent. Be a positivity. It I never feel like a man do you know. I make fear man I stood she up one night. I'm better than this. I should go on. So yeah guys. After everything now, I never remember who my link female link somebody for him. So I go talk to him and I'm gonna say yes please. I don't know if he's up on my life now. I don't care. I don't like him because telling about to him did I'll come back and I never look this so. So you don't know say after everything now, I call the boy and tell the boy, I say, yo, chat to your friend. I say, I chat to my dog that he might listen to me. Where I say, sure, say nothing never go on. I say, yeah. I say, I can make the boy I'll call you and make you know, say, nothing never go on for sure. I say, alright then, nothing never go on. The boy come back the next day, because that kind of get my hopes up, you know, me. I say, yeah, Virgin talk like him know him, you know. Because years him know him, you know, I say, yeah, blood clot. The boy come back, Nikki, sorry to say that one, you're strong. That one is strong, Nikki. I can't help you. I can't save you. First of all, my dogs are vexed. The man vexed. The man screw. Someone say, I don't know, Nikki. You just have to just load this. I say, what you say? What can I help you? Help blood clean me. Hear two things I do wrong in Nikki. You tell lie on a tattoo and you kiss a man in less than a week. So the man say, yo. The man say, him that plan for file for you, for bring you up there and make you and him good at everything. The man say, man, ball and him not ball, because I say, he might go left him woman. Him that say, at the time when him choose for take the file and him never have no girl nor nothing, so him never care. Or the girl him have just that foot, him never want him. And finally get a girl. And you go style him. And say, the man want to act like the tattoo because him finally I see a girl with him and give him tattoo. So in my head, I say, look for your blood clot, not girl, you want tattoo, you have name, your favorite dog for my mother, come kill me. Eh? You gonna foreign, gonna try to be a white girl. Me not say nothing people, me just ball come to me and the boy with that take the fake case picture in a past start talk. Yes.
That shit.
So what am I for do? Him left me for going at that man the arm. That's why guys, you need to look out of your eye. Look out of your eye and stop pin a girl pan a man when she not there with. Cause you see my man pin that boy there pan me, I'ma end up have to take him for true. It's not my fault. I never want to take him, but he made me lead and go over that man's arms. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. You get me? So after everything, my birthday coming up same way. So you know something I just I for same now go to know. I'm still a post for them people. I'm the greatest thing never block me. Still I can't my man now. As me had him follow, block off everything. Bloop 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 bloop. He never block me off a baby. I'm not nothing. I say alright. See that no say. After when I start a post and I post a little picture of them in my post and the boy look good at fire, you know. The boy in him look a fur coat with him ear twist upon drop down in him face and start look like Fetty Wap with the two eye them. The boy start get hot. The boy done fashion killer with him boots. The man take be a picture in the snow. The boy start to take be a picture with be a pretty white girl with them ear long on my head. They jucky and favor Afro crinky and well look bad and the girl them white and the girl them clean and the girl them go and go. They say no who are dead. You know who's dying. I'm going to say nothing, hold it like a G. I'm going to start talking to the boy.
What soap, yeah? That's soap.
Soap? Alright. I just start talking to the boy when him claim to say me and him did this. So the boy they cannot take my mind and find my little bit. So I say, alright. So you know say, twos on me and the boy start talking. I still miss my man, I still ball every now and then and them something about the boy cannot take. People if you don't want to get over one man. You just get a next man.
Well, you like.
Wanna like. I'm the kind of like the boy, and but you have the man I never want to cheat because I was loyal. You get what I say? But you know, in that time, me and the boy did a flirt, but we never really into nothing at the time. So yeah. After that, now and everything, I will start a rap. So me and the boy attack, and my mind I get off of the boy. Birthday come. They don't know who call me. You don't know who call me upon my birthday. When I see the number ring, I'm see the boy call me. I say I plate me and wash my flint and everything, break up everything and answer my phone. You want to hear me answer? Hello. You know, like you're still in that stress, you're 3 weeks outside, or like you're still in that stress, you're still a go on. I say my daddy, I say, what go on, you're good? I did more, I didn't know. You know, my smile, the way around you, so well happy and so. I say, I try make my birthday easy, but you know, cause I was going, I don't really feel so good, but I try make it go on little him. Yeah, make it go on, man. Are you know? Are you name when you name? I make it go on. You know, you have a look at Gary's voice. I give it. I get the killing them crazy. The man get the killing them crazy. Look at Gary's voice, and they was say, yeah, man. Are you name when you name, man? You get it good, man. Everything, man. Whatever we say. Jano babes. I don't know, say, the boy make a mistake and go call my babes. I don't know me ever say me get back my man. So it's like after I say, like him say, babes, me go call you back, give me a second. I say, babes, we get over, you know. I don't know, say him hang up. When him hang up, they call back. When him hang up, I say, babes, you know, say me text the boy, you know, when me talk to get my man and fight. I say, listen, me and my boyfriend they back, and you they make me and him stop talk. So here, for therefore, me can't go talk, but I just I forgot any right here. So I'm say, what? Seriously, I start thing. I'm say, listen now. You was the reason why my man did left me. So here what? Me and you cannot talk. Me cannot into anything. I'm going back to my man. I'm say, really? I say, yes. After everything now, you don't know I'm sit down and I wait for the car. You don't want to look too jumpy, you know, because you don't want to call back and you wait for the car. So you start posting one pretty picture of your birthday when you just do everything. So I'm call me back. So I say, as him call me back, I say, hello, him. I make a mistake, you know. I make a mistake for me hang up and call her base. I forgot to say Nikki. So you know that burned my heart. Yeah, I mean, Nikki make a mistake and call her base. I think I'm a girlfriend me that talk to. So I say, girl, what? People, we're supposed to know the stress I'm going through.
You come on the point April Fool's.
April Fool's in February. People, same time, someone say, girl, what? Hear him, yeah, sorry, I'm think I'm a girlfriend, me chat to me about chat to. I'm see how where the blood clot. Hear the girl in the back. The girl in the back of the ground, in the background, you know. Here are Babe, like she said, you know them friend girl, man I chat to her, twang to, you know. And them go twanging girl, say no advice, act to, you know, like she said. Babe, I'm gonna go on the road for a bit, and then so she start going, I wish you white bitch that time I start going, I say, no. You not have the part, then I'm alive for talk them something there. So you know the man just mash up the whole of my birthday, this and all. And the hottest thing, the other boy, me would have a birthday plan for my birthday, you know. Do me ear and everything with that boy there, you know, for my birthday, you know. And this white girl come in my background, mash up my idea, and then him mash up my idea to look like a cuss girl a cuss. So she said, babe, I'm going to call her back. So come back and tell me, you know. When is supposed to know on my birthday just wild? Jesus. The boy mash it up. And then I don't know if I call back that next boy. I say, you know, some day I'm asking my friend, I say, girl, just go on to him and just act like I want to look a joke thing. Just them say they want to hear him that. So I call him. Like him and say, you've reached your voicemail box. I've called him again, you've reached your voicemail box. Man, I'm not talking, I'm look on BB, I'm blocked. I'm look on Facebook, I'm blocked every for my birthday. So my birthday was sad, lonely, and stressed out. What are you supposed to know about the things that I got through? And you're not going to tell me, say, fake page will post me, Nikki, I'm going to make me, Nikki, feel bad. Eh? Fake. That's why I say, let me did all poor and go to all some deep stress. Oh, I'm going to let some be something. And fake page I'll put me up when me reach to the top now. And class me, could have moved me, because I got through too much. To make them move me. But the white girl in her face too, she normal love. She different. Remember, so she take the money now. So she and a bite in her face she a get. Them something they have simple thing. Is that players make use and pluck out all our teeth them. Everyone a blood clot them. Put it in our white milk with some frosted flakes with the teeth in it and make she yam it and swallow all of them. And that she I forget. So you don't know, say, after all of that now, the man left, you don't know, say, I don't remember what happened. You don't know, say, days going by and days going by. The boy put up a picture with the white girl. Pregnant!
No, sir.
Pregnant and be excitement. Be excitement of the girl night. You know how we Jamaican when we are breed over and no soul upon favor that the girl pretty with our blood clot belly. And nice and clean and come out to that tall ear and coming out. Yes, my love, 2 things after. Like, but baby I'll come out and the baby nice. Come I talk about it a year, 1 year after, you know. Baby come out and the baby nice. You start talk to me and heal me. And I text upon my baby and I heal me and everything. I make me know say I come to Jamaica. So I know say I come to Jamaica. The boy fat and stay bad no blood clot. Him trim off the ear with the knife so they drop down them face and favor fetty wap. Him know him favor petty wap. Fat and they are fire after say it's fire enough fit everybody. Big and fat and favor the big red balloon them. I don't know where him favor. Him favor one big twist donuts. And him trim off him ear time to get one work a friend I'm ear did after trim. And I don't know what's the look of dirty boy favor. See me no wanna put talkings to nice clean me. See anyone girl just hype. I'm telling me about what? I think mommy how much them time. I know me young. My hype. I say, huh? I say, no, I have my man, I'm not going there. And anything on my dash, I'm going to take it back. Then the Angel song I play. And the something they song, the Bounty Killer. Anything with dash, I'm going to take it back. And them song there, some of them start say, hello. You know, hear what Bounty Killer say, anything with dash, I'm going to take it back. I'm not going there. I'm not going to, in belly big, no blood clot. In belly look like it's full of beer. Apple Stasha will look in your back, you know, girl.
Man get happy and live happy life.
Apple life him stay, but him need to go to him white bitch. So I'm say white bitch. Want me to war. Nothing now go and she breathe. They stretch mark up the girl belly. I want to come and nice clean me. Although me did shape, but at that time, I say I want to come and nice clean me. And I said blood clot go. And I said work. Man, I look back this so your belly big and full of blood clot. Red stripe beer like you drink a whole heap of red stripe beer and blood seed. You ugly now blood clot. Move the dirty, ugly, petty wap looking blood clot. And class him. After I go through 1 year, what a heart blood clot break and spray and make the next boy less blood clot me. Eh? Then you tell me now. It's me. Could I feel bad with fear paid for how much things me go through. The mix-ups that I offer, how much things me go through. And most of them taught me a dip on the mix-up side. Dirty baby face, my mouth can't tell me just come back on live. Me just come back on live. Crosses. But people, yeah, Betty Wap. I'm favor Betty Boo. Come off alive, I just come back, look a girl. I will lick her in her fat blood. Come off from alive. From a black hair for this. Come off fight. But guys, the story done. So you can come off from now. The story is finished. You can come off from now. I can come off alive now like you're done, right? I can come off alive now, right? Other boy, they left for true, man. What
no person you shall talk.
You can't come and chat to somebody on this. The topic gone, girl. You wanna give me a topic? Give me a topic. You hear about now? I have to leave. I have work to do. On a too terrible. Which episode 2? Wanna give me something? Cause I want to start talk for live. I remember a certain story, you know. I love my story them. And I tell you, I'm tell my story them. Remember go like them can use it back for me after me tell them. And I me tell them, I know something owe them to use it back for me. I over it. When I think back then me could have something there. Me could have you have a nice clean baby father. No, I don't care.
Nice black chocolate.
Nice man. I don't care. But then you couldn't get me to that story. I'm in the midst of me I thought I know that start ball, man. Your baby face make pastor go and work. That woman new man move baby face. Remember I said not a new man you know me. My man been going from April. Last year, April. You know, person, you feel Leon Bailey there with Shensia. But the blood clean. I said the girl put up a nice, fat, unky teddy bear on her Valentine's Day dancing. Her nice man, ager. Eh? Oh, the girl alone. Leon Bailey is a child. So him laughy and stay. I'm there with him, I beat him, come. Come here, chat to him, I say, I'm smile, I'm that beat him, go and beat him, come.
Nice.
Make up your mind.
You
know, say you're in favor.
Yeah, what I nice to go complain about.
What's going love bad, you know? Bad.
But you know, my man that ate me like pies, oh.
Your man and the family life, you're not fear pretend. You're not fear pretend, Baba. What's the best way to get contact with me? You can't contact my DM. If you want to contact me about Chrome White, you link the Chrome White numbers. It might take a while, but we'll answer you. Most of people text a number there often, you know. Yeah, them Nikki at it, man, now, body not at again. All along I've been getting the wrong body, it seems. Because body been hot. Body was hot. When me used to hear my friend them talk about body, especially baby face will love man and Fabi will love big body. When me see them talk about body, me used to say I can't relate. Me and Pretty is always the one who ever stand out and I say we cannot relate about these body and these fuck topics. Because body is just hot. A man just had juke in your spleen and just had juke in your cell and juke in your temples.
I don't know the right man.
So why? He just did hot.
Make it hot and nice.
You meet a good man now and make the sex bittersweet.
Sex is better with a little bit of pain.
So said hot and it nice. It also bit hot and enough a bit of nice.
It's
so
like
it
the
nice
sunshine,
it.
a little bit of rain.
So yes, you enjoy it. Yes, I like girls. I still like girls. But listen,
You're straight now.
I'm not fully straight, you know, because I'm still a girl. I like girl. You have to nice like me. I talk to girls that is like me. So most of the girls I'm talk to favor me. If them don't favor me, them near for favor me, or them look better than me. That is the type of girls that I talk to. So them have a nice and brown. If them not brown and them dark, them have a pretty. And them just have a short. I like girl with taller than me. You have to either shorter than me or you short like me. Remember, say me are the man in my relationship. Me not the girl in my relationship. It not swing two ways in my relationship. That is the reason why I talk to girls too. They're pretty and me not get no painful sex. Me are the one where I do everything. Nobody not sex me, nobody not finger me, nobody not go open my pussy, nobody not do nothing. That was the thing why me even talk to girls. Cause me never want nobody to go open my pum pum. I never want nobody to play with my organs. So I never want nobody to touch me, so I only talk to femme. Girls where is the girl that I'm in relationship with, where them not touch girl at all. So that was the only way to get my sexual pleasure. Versus even my chat sheets. Let me scroll down. Baby face is not every day, my fucker. You fuck every day. Fuck a Dora. You fuck 3-5 times for the day. Every minute there's a bus of slippers, a bus of slippers. The man a fear buy more slippers. Look here though. So when me talk to the woman now, nobody not touch me. The least I can do is suck my nipple and they can't really touch me. I went and me use my strap and I bore you and my sex them nice. My sex them a me give was the sex them a me I get now. You get what me I say? Yeah, nice sex. What time my girl them. And them can't touch me. They only can probably touch a little breast a little bit. And at the end of my sex, I get happy ending. My happy ending is I get a nice head. So that was my sex. When I get nothing for bore up in my pum pum, nothing. So you know a girl just a grow them front just tight. Can nothing now go in there. Not even look a tampon could go in my front.
Strictly pad.
Yeah, baby face fuck nice if the boy a good way you expect. Look a girl, I hear a topic this you know you need to come off of my live. So, yes, guys. So, that is why I can't say, and I confused. It's just that I hated sex. So, the 8 of me hate sex, I've been always like to see pretty girls. You ever see a girl yet, and she just nice, and you don't want to be her friend, you want to be more than her friend. You ever have them feel they see somebody, you just, the way them look good, and you want to touch them. You want to so comes the sodomitism coming in. Because I never just want to see her and just be her friend. Hey, what's up? No. I want to touch her. I felt like a pervert. I want to feel her bottom. I want to feel her breast. I want to play with her organs them inside her body. So that is how the sodomitism came in. If you get what I'm saying. Yes. So, I never want to feel no pain. I'm tired front of me and sex me if I run up and I never yet, in a back then in my sex, them, the person never yet sex me and come yet. Them always sex me and I'm done. And in the middle of the sex, I one big argument. I cause one big lion argument. I'm going bad. Remember one time I have a man and him a cook. And when the man a cook, it's like, you know him go around onion and pepper and everything. Yeah, they don't know and him give me a head. And when him give me a head now, and everything is like a time now for the sex. So I'm touch my front, say touch him, touch my front, I just tell him, I say, you don't touch pepper, you don't touch pepper. You hear me? You don't pepper, you and it my front to burn me. Jesus Christ, you know? You hear me? You cut up pepper, my front, Jesus Christ, my front to burn me. I'm start going bad like the pepper burn me. I'm run going to the bathroom. I'm in the bathroom and be nice. Not a blood clot pepper, I just eat body. Me eat. Me never yet naturally give up sex yet. I just did it and just and just to come. I never yet text a man yet and say my honey I want sex. Never. Me never yet. Now it's different in my days. But I never yet text a man yet and say my honey I want sex. I never yet take off my clothes well and fully. No. Me I see her run and I tear down the place. By the time you're done, me I sweat you, I breathe hard. By the time my man have no local strength for sex me when me done come me I tear down the whole place. Me not sitting down for take the sex. Me not stay in one place to take the sex. Yet I feel like I need a woman. Still all man I left me and so I don't feel like this is a relationship where me I feel force my girl for have sex. I don't feel force my woman for have sex with a whole heap of woman out there. I'ma say go and get them. Me are the only girl where you could have cheat pan and me just zone to really kill up myself. Me feel it, but me not kill up myself because as long as I know me I take the body. Is if I'm not me I take the body, I'm good to go. So when a girl used to text me and say, "Me there with your man, blah blah blah." So me just say to her, say, "Please, like you're there with him. I can't text him tonight because he might bother me for sex. I'm really no want none. You can't text him and call him and text him tonight. I'm gonna make him go on. I'm gonna tell her everything what she for do and what she for wear and how she for look. Me darling her all my wig them for go fuck my man. Pretty her up, do up her face and everything. And me don't want take that body. Man. You ever talk to a man with your body just long, but it's not fat. So just come like, some just a juke you, every juke you juke. You have to turn like this hot. You just annoying. Most man I'm a chat to, most man, not all of them, come on, they kill me. Most man I'm a chat to, they give eggs. So I always make them give eggs. And when them have to give me egg for get it. When I give it up willingly. In the middle of sex, me that sex, I'm gonna sex over 5 minutes. Now, me have clock 45 minutes, 35 minutes, 43 minutes. Round 2. So girl a clock. So all along people, and the man them, you take, yeah, it's not your fault. God didn't make you wrong. Cause me used to wonder, oh, the girl them just enjoy the sex so. Oh, when I chat about when my man sex me, I always did a shock, you know. Always just did a shock me. I say, oh, them I enjoy the fuck them. Oh, them miss them. Me did it with my man. Good. I lie down and just enjoy myself and we cuddle and we kiss. So the moment I see me go down to the drawers, I jump up. I'm tell you, I say, where did the last night? I know some ears say, be an argument me create when I fuck time. Be an argument, be a war. Me not around to put cool head on my drugs, scratches and stuff. I mess up myself. All of them something that I'm not taking nobody. Me have a man already when I do that so much time till him find out him give me some thump on my foot them. Him just thump me up on my foot them and say, me know what you do. It now work. Your friend tell me say, you don't like sex. And that you ever do me. Yeah. Me to a man already when body big. Or me I tell you say, most of my relationship with money in my tattoo, 3 times minimum sex. I mean, I'm sex all a year. 3 times, 2 times, 4 times. Beer argument me create for to get sex. Beer war. I go on club already. I mean, the man that they are club where we are drink liquor. And when we are drink liquor is like, him said, John, wanna liquor you're strong, you know. You have no babes drink up, you know, because you know later, you know, mad thing, you know. You see me here? I said, mad thing. Oh, I'm going to escape this one today. I'm think today. I go and sit my liquor and I think. 2 Tuesdays, get up and say, I go to the bathroom. There's a go-go club there. But him just get up and go to the bathroom, I walk and go over. When him walk and go over, it's like, you know, the go-go got him and ask him like if he wants to rap dance. I'm going to see him smile and him walk. Him smile and say no, and him walk off. When him say that no, hear me. Why you not go there to chat, boy? I don't hear one of them. Say, uno me not idiot. The girl call you for one girl in the back of the bathroom door. They run into the bathroom. Me not idiot. You feel like me a clown? You feel like you can't come use me? You can't use me when you feel like. And that's some me a class. And me a talk around in the club and me a go and bad. The man just take my foot them and give me some blood clot thump on them and say, me know what you do. Me hear this. I'm going to make sure I get up just to see what you going to do. Me hear say, at this you always the tree you don't want sex. And the girl Fabi chat for me. I say, Fabi loving fan for me. And some here where you do you don't want sex and you could have ball cream and ball blood in here. You get it to blood clot night. And any you kill a person, I go thump in your mouth. Guys, I did get it a ball. A ball? Why? That's why you see all the next time I'm going to chat to my man for life. I'm going to go through stress and stress and agony if him doing sex like my man. No.
Yes, sir?
If him do, I don't know what he's going to do. You have to. You have to. No man tired. Almost the man tell me the man a chat for like year and other. You can count when you and the man have sex. And when the man never yet come yet, he must end up a back in peace. And I'm glad the sex, I just feel annoyed. I just feel tender. I just feel just can't bother. The worst part of the sex I want it for go in. Jesus Christ, I'm the hottest part that ever. Remember something I really sex, you know? I never get a good go in yet. I never get a good go in yet. I always elam powder house, aisle, lube, all of them. Some of them make people eat man and chat to girls. Why?
Man, make your water nice and moist and going.
Yeah.
Walk this one.
I when we wait it still at girl, cause me not have sex.
You should have got through the elam powder house.
Me don't like it none at all. You know, if you just watch sex videos and them something nice, and then when you really, you watch all the blues. But can't take your tape, you know. You will watch all the blues, people. And when you watch the blues, the people are just in love, and the fuck look festive, and just look nice, and everything that's like you want. And you say you want to do it, and when I hear time for do it, now you get the tip. Aye! And you jump up!
You know about that?
We don't want it! You know, when good wood, when wood good, that's your choice of your face. When it good, because you and family will have a fuck problem.
But no, you're a good man, you know, go through them back.
No, I'm a good man, I'm going to go through them back. I'm just flowing. Pum just flowing. And just wet, you just dive. At going in, but it's nice, because you know, you bear it. You know, when you stand up to it and say, hey boy, you know, make me in a problem. Me stand up to you. Come go on now. Stand up to it. And it sounds that hot. Yeah. I don't know if them ex them link me and I flirt with me. I'm say, girl, I'm straight. Back up. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm a dick girl. Okay? But as me and my man left me, I go straight back to woman. So all who like me, we don't just go on there, me I come back. Go and send an application from now. You want a man to make it into run like river, then fuck people face, want me to you? Want me to you, buddy? Somebody would have said, want to you, look a pussy so. Want to you? No, sir. But say, probably a bare face it every day, and them that tear on the place. Girl, you don't know nothing about life. Girl, and them that class, and them that class, and them that class me. Brian, me, when me buy one left, me always set up myself for left with man anytime. And me not take certain things. My man fuck for me right now. Remember saying I like when you could have fuck for me and the body never go. The body good now, I feel like it's a giveaway. Man fuck for me and left him. Problem go on me and left him. Although my man left about 6 times already.
Oh,
6 times for the week. Every 2 days, me and my man left. And every other day.
But the vex in between.
Vex in between and chat back and everything. Right now, we're up on one nice score. How long now?
3 days.
No? 3 days? No? From Monday.
We never vex Monday?
Yeah,
Monday night.
We're good Monday night.
And vex Tuesday.
Yeah.
Oh, our foolishness.
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 3 days we are clock. What do you mean I'm not go good in 1 week with a vex and not here, Pasco? I'm like, I'm not go good 1 week. As the just said, so another night when I chat. What a good. Yeah, that man, boy, I'm ready for apply. Woman, me say, woman. Woman. Where you go, ya man?
I'm a transgender. Intik other.
Yeah, true. But people, I know you have girls out there who can relate to the body art. The body is art. Enough girls will be a sodomite. 2 things. Either them get raped and them be one sodomite, or them just can't take body.
Or them just love girl and can't confuse and don't know what to take. Move. You know some girl, them can't
pay for relationship are true. My relationship are going good now, you know. We never been this lovey-dovey before.
You never been this happy yet. I first feel so happy.
That would you know. That would you know. Get a girl you hot your fuck. Ask for true. See, everybody can say it. Ask for true. I'm just annoying. I am too cute. You know you can relate because you love your body because you chop off body. used to pain me, but I realized I wasn't turned on enough. Yes.
Exactly.
That too.
Exactly.
So we are killing person when you are no.
See, you're a good man now.
See, everybody has said at people.
Them not meet the right man.
People not meet the right man for true.
Exactly. And just in love, just nice. I wake up the bed soaking wet. I want to have a piece of yourself.
Them love body. Must have make baby face it ever there. And for me, on that hero, them and go on both sex.
Right now, speaking of that, me and Miss Melko man and Jane, I wonder if I can go in there.
Hey, Pascal, what about that JN people? Every minute Pascal going on the line here. You know the money where I want lunch. You know the money where I want to take out. You know the body for sending up JN going on the line. Babyface, you supposed to pass at stage with at time now with body. Yeah, your man there how much in years now, and I see him big body I guess 5 times for the day. That all is supposed to stretch right out.
It just go to the man.
It go to the man body. Right now, I want to break my man. I'll get back lock up in a look of vexation. But people for sure, yo, when I tell us a tampon could go in on my front. Tampon could go in on my front when I push up tampon. Could go in there. No, tampon are the last. Me I push up tampon, me I feel hold it back and say, oh, where that go? What it be? Tampon last, everything is a last. It just an echo in there. So that's me. I go on a 3-week break and just no sex. That is why you see body is not good. Because you know when you're there party and them say type pussy girl calm down yourself, you can bust up your blank. Pow, pow, pow. But it's not sing about big pussy girl, so them not have no time. You claim to say no big, you know, it just stretch to your man's size. Which
and your man have a hell of a size, though.
Pascal, come out, man.
Your man come like him never, the woman never sex a slave. You know? She said the slave master. Your man.
You too blessed. Yo, you're a girl, yeah.
I must wonder how me know.
Must wonder how Pascal fast, you know, Pascal the fastest person I ever see. Pascal was see everything. I say, when him take it out and forgot put it in back. Oh God, I'm me to tell you, Jesus. When old sweet me tell a man they kill me. Murder. When you hear no? 5 times, but it's sweetie, man, and I know sweetie. You hear baby face? People baby face and a man sex 5 times per day. As we reach at the hotel, so me and my man sex not even for my birthday night. The way we just there go and enjoy each other company and enjoy the hotel, not even a pre-fuck. By the time every minute we call baby face, them busy, them a lock. Her man in a robe, she in a robe, them naked in the bed, them with a... Sophia's, what you doing over here? Eh? What the business people them do over here? Danny Boo, you supposed to carry relate, because you love fuck too, you know, you look a girl. Yeah, baby face by man love by pussy. But now say I get what over here. Give me, mama gonna call you, man. But in a stretch out pum pum, you couldn't tell me nothing.
If I suck my man every night, it can go to my man's size.
Yeah, then body don't stretch out. If body don't stretch out pum pum, why you have big pussy girl? Who come out with big pussy girl? It would have big pussy girl. It would be right size pussy girl. It would be a big pussy girl. Yeah, the Pascal right up. So Pascal still ever ride her whistle. She not still like somebody where chat and nod. Where here she a tape and a pack. Remember, say mix up people know how to do them things, you know. Them ride and them whistle and still a listen mix up like the agents of them. Do your ear and still a listen your business. Whenever the sweet, sweat yet. Sweet yet, and I like it, then it go slide out and go in. Sure. Where you come from? You don't even remember that sentence there, you know.
I love sex in the AC, so you better say dry up.
Jesus, that's sex in a fan. Hey, people, the first time you sex in a fan, and you go bend over, and the breeze going on your front, and you go, hey, that one that scare me for a month that scare me for. I said that me not sex so long. Me not sex so long. Me go call him. Remember say your man there where my man there. Me go call him. Cause God make them pussy big. Don't tell a lie about God. Don't call God name. People them say, look at old man. People just bad with big hole. Here there. It big cause every wood I run up in them hole. All size. Exactly. So that's why you have it. But I look at your face, you know. The girl them pussy up big and the man their body like that true. God be blessed. Baby face, I nah ask you if when they put tampon in your pum pum. That last.
Chopper would big, it must last.
Chopper would big. But I want know each other man body size. Well, ladies, so you know we have to, you
must know why. You just like
a baby face supposed to not miss your ex man, your ex money. Yeah, you're supposed to not miss your ex money. Your ex man never have nothing. You must stop that from the my life. The way our baby face ex man never have nobody. Baby face I show me a video, you know, where she has sucked the body. You see her hair like a ice cream, she have. Guys, holy murder! You know, say I'm the friend that you should not tell your business. Me, I don't want to never tell though. Oh, I don't love fuck, but if my man fuck me good and him go give it away, me I chop off that blood clot. So, oh, you gonna get it back? Because when you chop it off, you not gonna have it too cute or it go. Nikki man would be like Pasco ad.
Oh, what's that? Oh, come on.
Ah, so I call him body Pasco on. Yeah, your face, Nikki, stop calm, man. Ah! Look here now. I just like old man band with little, what? Just like old man band with little old girl band with big hole. I wonder if that's true. So, oh, you have some girl with them pum pum they tight, but it get big. I'm festive to the spooky. I'm very, very festive.
How long time you not go live?
A long time I not go live. I don't meet them in my DM for go live. Them miss Nikki Chromazz. I be a Nicolette. Them I see from one day. Them eat Nicolette. But I ask them, eat Nicolette, dirty blood clot. So I have to come back and bring Nikki Chromazz. Today's a look of fucked up. Because with the man them, they have be a woman must see from my live. Be a woman. People them not really call me, you know. And when that life that end, me I gotta do my business. My man who my day with is only old me ever take it out. People feel you're the only body she ever take it out life.
The rest of them never make no sense, so she not count
Bet you must that. The rest of them never make no sense.
She not count them.
Must. I'm gonna know what she come tell me say.
Right now enough ex me not count in my life.
Hey, nothing I used to kill me when Spooky used to make me and Fabi to count down whoever talk to. When I ram to skip the one when I make the blood clot
No
sense. With sex tape, girl, I don't have a sex tape. Somebody said no, baby, the ringtone I need for that shit. With sex tape you're talking about? I don't have a sex tape. Remember, baby face never take a man away. I've not even 5 inch. Smokey, all of baby face expand their body little bit. She finally get her body. That's why she there so long, you know. Some girl fuck over 20 man and want to call themselves things. The girl them are still things. Lord the blood clot girl them. Them there is not sex. Those are interviews. Okay? They never get the job. Them 20 man they are interview. Move on Lord the girl them and go.
Look how much man me say baby mother the best all them ever get and bam big head come out of that. So they know what them a talk about.
Who ya baby mother you? Who ya baby mother?
Man them tell me say the best all this.
Girl I say I too low. Every girl love chat about them low.
Excuse them look.
Not a low. I wish me did have the look at that. You know some could have the look at that there. But people are true. Now come chat about how much girls the man, how much man the girl used to take. Them are interview, them never needed nor nothing. Them just come for job and everything.
Then Jada King say, you were talk before, man, a team business.
Fabi baby boo, the fuck is this arrive? Fabi and baby face the one place. Fabi, we're here talking about body. Oh, I ain't thick. Please to tell the people, oh, you have a body problem You and Babyface that love to sex 24 hours, 5 times a blood clot day. Spooky, she don't ever look good man them again. Again. A big body man Babyface attack. Babyface man body big like her knee. Some man love when the pussy make nice. Some say I talk to them, Listen to me now. No one pum pum make no farmer nice. Blood clot for me say only take one month of me at 12. Okay. I wonder if I will go back through the countdown. But I feel like sure I will go back through the countdown. Just take one month. Move from here so. Knee would share take a man body big like a knee for two. When you have your own money and tax the sex any. Babyface. When enough your sex enough for make no man missing no pum pum. Make no man missing no pum pum. Man that's a sex it. 5 times 3 that's a sex it. And a now spice it up. Yeah, give me a rope and tie. Why you never take the tie and the rope? And do what you do. Cause me no want it comes a time when my man tired of me when me have to do a threesome, you know. And my man go to have a threesome is nothing because me to chat together, but me not depend the sharing thing. This is she just love suck. Babyface Spooky say love suck. I don't know if I true. Babyface said mine, spice. Do nobody go back down the court, don't forget. Here for me. My pussy good is say Jesus. Yes, you know about our mouth. Your ear not talk. But we have fuck on 4 times in one day. But now sexually, same way. I still love me now. I have to find an argument for vexing. You're supposed to remember how I used to vex with my man for not getting sex. The last time I give up my phone willingly. Last time I went inside. What did happen again? S7 just drop. Just drop. I want it.
You took your phone?
Yeah. I'm a man. I'm my veteran. And I'm a body woman. I'm a man in a relationship for almost a year. Remember your body that I need to know I have a video for your tag. Release the video. Yes. One phone. S7 just drop. I may have must Note 3. S7 just drop on the side say. And a spooky one. And I want spooky come influence me too, you know. But Nikki, get a S7 girl. May I tell you, say people, I'm going in the room, I shake. I say, look at people have to do for one phone. That is why I'm glad I'm independent now. iPhone X can come and I can go for that. I can go buy that. I can take up my money, bloops, buy that. I have to take nobody in a relationship. I have to make up, you know, want the body and you man a body for the pussy all along. You make up my mind, say, you nah, give me the pussy on the phone. Drop you say, you want the phone. Yes, okay, that was a fuck. I say, them dead your ear now. I did. Oh God, come like the man just use one knife and just split my right open, take out my organs, then put them one side, put my heart over this so I dead. I don't like this now the man beg you to fuck way. In the middle of the fuck you can't get up and say, like I'm tired. I have to take it till the man come. You know, at the first time I feel like I sell my pussy. I feel like I sell my pussy. From here to cause you are the real fucker do right now. Remember say as your man come look for you, you know. From the man come in here pass no. From the man come in for me, you do a lock.
You know come there beard first.
Yeah, when from man come, you just hear the bathroom a beard and she sing and she for me don't put on her clothes. She have on her towel. So you know say as straight fuck as him reaching so you hear for you do a lock, cluck, lock. You just hear all our music. What? The little song I say. Remember that the day we met, I can probably do it all over again. Yeah, me and them sang the family so I really like what you done to me. Lord. When you look at the door, me, they spooky, they pastor, they give a face, they everybody, they put them ears. She fuck.
Then she come out and go like nothing
when she come out happy. People, my life at end. I'm coming off of this. Bye. On a two terrible. Well, we catch up at the door.